Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Curiosity Unlimited. If you're new here, my name is Pratik and today we are going to unbox and install one crucial 240 GB SSD and second drive caddy. So we're going to install one SSD and one hard disk in one laptop, which is an old laptop. It doesn't work that well, very slow. I've already upgraded the RAM, but that did not help. So now I'm going to upgrade it to an SSD and see if that speeds up the laptop. Also, because I have data of 1 TB, I'm going to use this caddy so that I can have both my SSD to speed up the laptop and the hard drive to store my data. So let's get to it. Okay everyone, so this is the 240 GB SSD, crucial SSD, and this is a second hard disk caddy. This is used to replace your optical drive with the hard disk, so you can use a SSD as well as a hard disk within the same laptop. So today we are going to install the SSD in the main drive and the second bay caddy into the optical drive with the main hard disk that I currently have in the laptop. So now first let's unbox the SSD and see the drive itself. Okay, it is Crucial company SSD 2.5 SATA 240 GB. Okay, and there is some booklet with it. So this is the SSD. It's quite lightweight compared to the hard disk here, and if I compare both the size, the weight, this one is so light I don't even feel that I'm holding a hard drive. So this is what we're going to install it in the main drive, and this is the caddy. So let's open that as well together. So this looks like a optical drive. I will remove the optical drive and I'll show it to you. It connects with here. Okay, there is an instruction on how to install it. We will not need it. This is the actual casing. There are some screws to attach the hard disk and the screwdriver. Okay, so let's start assembling it up now. Just remove this blue film. I don't want anything to melt inside the laptop, which I will not be able to see every day. So I will just remove this as much as possible. Also, one more thing, this has a plate here that it's a dummy plate to show that there's an optical drive, which we will replace with the actual optical drive plate that we have. It is replaceable as per the details I've seen on Amazon, so I will try to replace that as well, so at least it looks like an authentic optical drive, but instead it will just be a hard drive. So let's install it now. Okay, so let's open the laptop now. Okay, so here we have opened our laptop, and this is the main hard disk. This is a 1 TB HDD that I want to replace with the STD because the laptop is quite old and it has gotten slow, so I want to replace it with an STD to increase the startup speed and the apps loading speed. This is the optical drive that I will remove and put the caddy in with this main hard drive, so I'll get a space of 1 TB plus 240 GB with increased speed. I already have 8 GB of RAM in the laptop, so let's install the SSD and the
caddy, and then we will boot up the laptop and see if we are getting both the speeds and the uh, drive capacity. Okay, so this is the optical drive. I'll first remove it from here. As you can see, this gets connected with a screw here, which is not there here. Okay, so this will not be attached anywhere like this, which is a downside. This I will replace this part with this one so that at least it looks authentic. And this is the hard drive. Let's remove that now. Be very careful when removing this. If any of these line breaks, then you are gone. So this is the 1 TB hard drive. Okay, so now after removing the hard drive, let's connect the SSD here. Okay, so it's time to put the SSD now. It goes in like this, so I will have to connect this. Okay, so I have put this 2 plates in that will connect here. Now we can put the hard disk in here, SSD I mean, and we can just okay, now we can connect the SSD casing, so we can connect the hard disk here and then put this in. So let's first try to see if we can remove this. Okay, this part you can put here, so you can then screw it in, so you don't need this. You can remove it from here and put it here. Okay, there goes that part. Let's just put it in later. Okay, now we have to remove this. Let me try that offline. Okay, so I finally got it out. I had to open this drive, remove a couple of screws, and then remove this thing. So now I can put it in here. This is how I think it should go. Yep, so at least look genuine from the outside. Now I can put the hard disk in. So okay, so I put all those 4 screws in and I was able to remove blue plastic, almost all of it. There might be some in some places that I can't remove, but yeah, now it's time to put the hard disk back in. Just have to put this in. Okay, now let's put it in here. Before that, we'll have to put this last. We'll first have to cover it up. So we'll put this cover on. Close it nicely. Then we'll put this on. Before that, I'll just put it. Okay, now it is nice and tight. Now there's no loose ends here and there. Just plugs in nicely, and this goes. these two screws are not letting it go in, so let's try to tighten it up and see if it goes further in. If not, I will just remove these two screws. I still can't put it, more in than this one. So let's see, it just goes in. If not, I'll just remove it completely. Yep, it does not. I'll just have to remove it completely. So I'll have to use it without the two screws. I don't know if that's just an issue with me or it's... Yeah, I suppose it will hold fine with just two of it. Yeah, so that went in, and now we'll connect the battery and see if it boots up and if it is, identifying the hard disk. Let's just switch it on. I'll skip this checking for now. Oh, that was super quick, because earlier I used to wait a lot of time to just for the laptop to boot up. Great. Let's just open the drives now. Okay, so I have this 100 GB drive, which is the SSD. This 122 GB is also the SSD, so it's 222 GB out of 240. This is 766 GB, which is a 1 TB hard drive. This is local disk F, which is again a 1 TB hard drive, and this is a recovery, which is also a part of 1 TB hard drive. So let's just open this. Yep, I have got all my files that I need and I can access without using an external casing like this, because that is very slow compared to the internal one. So that is great. This laptop has been renewed now, so that's great. It's working, and I can now use my 320 GB hard drive as an external hard drive to get some additional space for the videos that I need. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day, and like the video if you've enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.